Hey there! Welcome to my little Draw With Me session, where you will see all my wins and epic fails. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jezz, an artist navigating life with ADHD and ASD. Let's dive in and make some art together. What do you say about doing some inking today? I already did the sketch, and you work with fine liners from Molotov. I did work with like a Copic ones back in the day, but I like these much more. Just gonna erase away. If my voice is on left and right, it's because I move my head around. I picking up sun from the GoPro itself. And speaking of the GoPro, it's the GoPro Hero 13. I did tell myself to not buy another GoPro because, well, I had the Hero 7 and it was a mess. I hated it because even if I turned it off, it wasn't really off. So I told myself to not buy another GoPro, but here we are. And that's because of the macro lens. I got really in love with it when I saw it, but now I kind of regretting it that I did buy it. I did wait for the DJI Hero Action 5, but I went with this one. I was even thinking of the Osmo Pocket 2. But yeah, it became the Hero 13. And the reason I'm not the biggest fan of it is because of the macro lens. The macro lens for first removes all the good settings. Like you can't shoot in RAW photo, and my favorite what's it called, resolution 8x7 is not available. And yeah, and the bonus, I always mess up the focus. They have like a dial on it, so you like turn, and the one image is like a flower and the other is a person, and I always take the wrong. The flower is the closest, but for me a person is also close, if you know what I mean by that. Another thing is that I had this lens on once when I was outside, and it didn't turn good at all. It's like the picture was washed out because I took pictures with it. Really washed out. Nothing like that happens with the original lens. Maybe I just have the wrong settings, I don't know, maybe. I mean, sometimes just changing the settings is all you need. Sorry about that. But I have not found the right one just yet. The reason I actually picked the GoPro instead of like here a DJI Pocket is because I do have the most stuff for it. I mean, I have a few GoPros in my ears. My first is free actually. So I have plenty of stuff. And it does like work better in conditions. I mean, I'm not just gonna use it for filming this. I like to use my GoPro for like mountain biking and skiing and stuff like that too. I started to do more of these kind of drawings, just trying to keep it simple, like yeah, it's kind of relaxing actually. No colors and stuff like that. If you want to see more like these kind of videos, you just comment that below. Feels like done already. They go fast, very fast. And I don't want it to spend like hours on them. Just wanted to put something down a little bit easy. No, maybe I can like this. I kind of like drawing rocks and mountains. They just is something with it. Maybe it's because I liked climbing a lot when I was younger. I was not the typical girl on the ground. If you know what I mean. So here we are. This didn't take long at all. But I do hope you enjoyed it and hear me talk about the GoPro. So thanks for watching. If you want to keep up with my art journey, join my free email list for weekly updates. I share behind the scenes stuff, progress and everything in between. The link is below. Until next time, happy drawing!